Hey guys, this is Rithi. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is about introduction to brush pen calligraphy for beginners. So let's get started. So point number one is how you hold a brush pen. So you can hold it however you like this, like that, whatever's comfortable for you. But there are many people who hold the brush pen like that. So holding your brush pen like that can destroy the bristles of your brush pen, so you don't want that. You want to hold it at an angle of 45 degrees and this. So this is exactly how you hold a brush pen. So now that we know how to hold a brush pen, we come to point number two and we try starting some basic strokes. So you want to see how flexible your brush pen is. So it can go thin and thick. So now the down strokes, these guys can see, should be thick, just like this. So you want to try making some thick lines just like this. So you also know how much pressure you want to apply. Next, we try making thin upstrokes like that with very little pressure. It's okay if you don't get it right in the first go. You'll have to practice a bit and then you'll get it right. Once we're done with these, we're gonna try making it like this, a combination of upstroke and downstroke. But now over here, what you want to make sure is that these two lines are parallel to each other. As you guys can see, this should be parallel to this. So when we're making the stroke, thin upstroke with a thick downstroke, and this should be completely parallel to the other one, as you guys can see, just like this. Whether it's like this, straight if you're doing your calligraphy like this, or if your handwriting is a bit slanting, then like this. Whatever it is, it should be parallel to each other. Now we come to number three, and that is go slow. Guys, we all need to go slow. If you go fast, this is what's going to happen. If you go slow, then this is how it's gonna look. So I think you guys can see the major difference over here. So make sure you go slow. This is the real-time writing. The videos that you see on YouTube can be fast-forwarded, they can be in hyperlapse. So you want to make sure you go slow, just like this. This is how slow you want to do your calligraphy. Now we come to number four, and that is practice, guys. Nothing happens without practice. Calligraphy is not an overnight process. You need practice to actually be good at it. And it's completely fine if you're still learning, and it's gonna take some time. So guys, make sure you practice. Alright guys, so that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.